All right, guys, welcome to the credit game. I want to share something with you guys because I know that out there in the world right now, it's havoc. It's a lot of people are scared and nervous, and I'm going to lean into this to give you as much education as possible because I know there's a lot of families out there that are waiting on checks. I know there's a lot of families that don't know where their next dollar is coming from, and then there's people that we're able to save, and this isn't affecting them. So my audience is, and my entire goal in life is to make each and every one of you guys money. That's because I was always told this by my mentors: if you can make a member or a client happy and make them money, then you have somebody for life. So I want to share just a few things that may or may not help you out. This is for educational purposes only. The reason why it's the credit game, we transition to education outside of servicing, is that I can help more people. I can help you, you can help somebody else, and really that's how we share the love, and everybody is able to eat versus me putting a Band-Aid on by giving you credit repair. So one of the things that I really want to talk about is how to still get credit cards with bad credit. So I know this is going to resonate with quite a few of you guys. If you've been following me for a long time, I've been doing videos for years now, and if you've been following me, then you shouldn't have bad credit. But if you do still have bad credit and you've been following me for a long time, there's one of two things that happen. Either one, you didn't invest into getting the credit repair done, or maybe the trade lines done, which is fine, right? Can't expect everybody to invest. Or number two, you haven't been watching every day, because anything that you do over and over again, it's like playing a game, you get better at it. And the more you play it, like I always use the analogy, the more you play Fortnite as a child, you get better. You try to sit down with your kid at 10 years old and beat him in Fortnite, so it ain't even gonna happen. Why? Because they do it, right? So what I teach is, why don't I do videos once a week? Why do I do them every day? The reason we put videos out every day on a new topic is so that way you guys can learn what better time right now. I'm gonna ask you this question. Is there a better time in national history that you wouldn't have the time to actually learn something that could be that important for your family's life? It shocks me. We have some people call us in our business every day that want to learn. They're sitting at home and they're trying to figure out how to make money. Why? Because they don't know if they're going back to work. They don't know if they even have a job. I've been laid off, been sent home. Work from home if you can work from home, right? The government is putting out so many different things right now that it is a national, worldwide, but national scare. So how do we take advantage of this? This is what I want to tell you guys today. Instead of contracting and going, oh my God, what's going to happen? What am I going to do? I have my family sitting home, I have my kids. Lean into this, right? The people that lean into it and go, you know what? You can't take a good man down. Lean into it and go, you know what? I want to make money and I want to learn how to do it. Okay? It's going to take getting off your lazy ass. Sorry, but this is what's going to happen, right? I'm sorry if you're sitting at home and you're and this is like affecting you. I apologize for it, and there's nothing I can do other than give you the tools that you need to pick up and start making moves, right? It's the same thing with credit. You guys will live with credit for 10 years, bad credit, until the wheels fall off your car and you're like, I need to do something. I need to scramble. I want to buy a house in a month. I want to buy a house in a month. I got people calling me, I want to buy a house in a month. Like, you're going to wait till now and then call me and say, I want to buy a house in a month. I mean, it's unrealistic, but it's what's happening. Because people wait till the last minute and procrastinate in America until the last minute, until they just can't. But I'm telling you, take action now. We got FICO 10 coming. I'll tell you something. FICO 10 will smack you across the face. Hands down, if you don't pay attention to what FICO T is about to release. FICO T will release 24-month snapshot on your life and your credit. Now, you think that credit repair, next thing you know, all one stuff falls off, right? You got bad credit, bad credit, bad credit. You get credit repair, and then boom, guess what? All the stuff fell off because you were good at credit repair because I showed you how to do it. But then what happens? They see all this bad, and all once, oh, he's an angel. He's got great credit. They see that. 24-month look back, guys. It's a snapshot of the last 2 years. So everything you did. So why do I tell you this? Because you got to start today. So you can start building the positive history, putting the primaries on, getting a few AUs that are over 24 months. We'll talk about on another. This is the things I talk about in the credit game. These are things that you don't know that I study day in and day out. That's why I'm telling you about this, okay? How are people sitting at home right now and not taking advantage of education. The world has stopped, guys. And if the world has stopped and you're sitting there on your couch trying to figure out what to do, I've got a great solution, an easy way for you to make money. I put a platform together. Let me show you how this, I put a platform together that has proprietary information in it, okay, the letters, not cookie cutter. This is not my credit repair stuff, good stuff that we've been using for 6 years, okay, plus tons of other stuff, right? All these topics of things that'll help you out tremendously. If you think YouTube is good, what I put out, wait till you see what's in this platform. But literally, I've laid it out for you. Now you got a platform. Guess what people are doing right now? They're selling the platform to other people. You buy it once, and I'm allowing you to sell it to people, okay? Because I know right now is a tough time. I'm not even saying, hey, copyright, don't copyright. I'm saying, hey, take my platform and sell the platform. And so what are people doing? They're out there selling this because it has the proprietary letters, the things that I've been doing, how to remove inquiries, how to remove collections, judgment, foreclosures, late payments, charge-offs, bankruptcies, evictions, literally like repos. It has everything. So if you guys are sitting at home and you have a bad credit score and you haven't got this platform yet, I don't know what to tell you. I can only give you the tools to have you pick them up. Okay, with everything that's going on right now, and you're sitting at home, you should be learning. Everything's going digital. 63% increase on the web in the last 2 weeks. 63% of more people are online right now because of what's going on. So 300 million people in America, what is that? That's 180 million more people are on it every day because of what's going on. So take advantage of online. Online learn, online earn, okay? Meaning, let's take this platform, and I don't care if you sell it to somebody else, right? Because ultimately, my goal is to help billions of families across the world learn the credit game so they can have a better financial life. If you take my program and you sell it to somebody else, right now I'm allowing you to do that because I don't care, because ultimately it's getting me closer to my goal of being able to help families, right? So at the end of the day, get involved here and resell it as many times as you want. In fact, you'll learn it so good that you don't even have to sell it. Like if you don't want to even sell the platform and you just wanted to say, hey, put an ad up. I'll show you guys how to put an ad up on Facebook. Hey, fastest credit repair known to man right now. Put an ad up, organic. You'll have people, and then you have the stuff in your email that you got from me that you can literally go out and start making money on right away. The average cost right now to get credit repair in our state is $700, and this is in the state of Florida. So you can anywhere between $350 probably all the way up to $2,000 for credit repair. If you guys are like, hey, I want to make some money, this is the easiest way I can think of. On top of that, I'm not even going to tell you about the second part here because this will blow your mind. Up to 75% off the trade lines. Inside our platform right now, we have a vendor that is willing to do up to 75% off the prices that I offered for years. So think about this. $1,000 trade line, you guys are able to get it for like 250, 300 bucks. Okay? So if you can get the trade line for that price, and then you can flip it to somebody for even 700, 800 bucks, where do you think the rest of the money goes? Right in your pocket on one deal. So while you're sitting here thinking you guys should be making thousands of bucks a week, I mean, I'm putting a platform together for you guys to be able to not only make money, but learn at the same time. This is like, it's a win-win. Okay, also, okay, I wanted to share a little bit of value on this one as well. If you have lower credit limit and you do need some money, okay, there's a couple different cards right now because of what's going on with the virus right now. These lenders are willing to open up kind of the floodgates a little bit, if you will. They're willing to accept applications that are a little bit, how do I say? They're willing to help you out a little bit more because of what's going on. They want you to have money, okay? So I found out that two companies right now, two credit card companies, okay, will still approve people with bad credit and their unsecured credit cards. And number one card right now is Credit One Bank. Okay, I'll put the link here in the description. It's called Credit One Bank. Okay, the second card I want you guys to apply for. Okay, I'm gonna give you some tips on this in a second. Is Total Visa. Okay, it's called Total Visa, and that card there also is an unsecured credit card to help people with bad credit. Okay, so through times right now, Okay, maybe you get a credit card, then you get the platform. I don't know, whatever you guys want to do, but this is me bringing value to you with what's going on in the world, sharing my love, saying, hey, here's some nuggets, here's some tips, here's some tricks. But if you're not on the platform, guys, and you're not making money off of it, like everybody, I got so many people that call me up, they're like, Mike, the platform's amazing. I'm already selling this thing to people. I'm already selling. I know that you put the platform and you told me I can sell it. I'm letting you sell my stuff. Like, I'm gonna show you how easy this is. So, couple things. Like I said, Credit One Bank, I'll put the link. Total Visa, I'll put the link for you guys. These are credit cards you can get with limited or bad credit that are really opening up their possibilities to get them for the people that are, going through this situation right now with the virus. So 904-420-7772. This is just skimming the surface of what's inside the platform, okay? So that being said, give us a call at 904-420-7772. The guys are out there, they'll take care of you, they'll help you. We will make it work for you right now, okay? We're not greedy, we wanna help you. We wanna help you financially. We wanna make the deal work for you so you can make money, so you can protect yourself and your family. So, guys, I appreciate watching. Hope this finds you well. Give me a thumbs up. Turn on your bell notifications every day, guys. I'm bringing the content to you Monday through Friday. And really appreciate watching. Until tomorrow, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back here and bring some more value. So give us a call, 904-420-7772. God bless. Take care.